Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect TCL washing machine with the power source. And to do this, first you will need to remove the transport bolts, and I've shown you previously on how to do it. The link for that video should be in the playlist along with that one that you're watching right now. Then to connect it to the power source, you will need to take a cable, and preferably I would recommend to connect it to the wall plug and not to any extensions, but in this case, in this room, I have no other means to connect it, so we're gonna take the extension plug and simply plug it into the power source. And from here, our washing machine is properly connected to the power. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.